that. So we're going to visit a couple places in Beijing. The number one is the Great Wall of China, the Great Wall. It takes us about 1 hour from now to get to the Great Wall. And when we get there, we'll go through the street and take the shuttle bus. And the shuttle bus about 10 minutes. And we'll take the cable car up and cable car down. Hello, everybody. We made it, the Great Wall of China. And the Great Wall was being built 221 BC to unify the whole China, to link the separated Great Wall together to be the one wall. So the Great Wall at that time is about 5,000 kilometers long from east ocean. Go that way to the ocean. Go that way to the Gobi Desert. 5,000 kilometers long is quite like from London to Dubai. The Great Wall was being built originally to stop the horses to get in. 2,000 years ago, the Great Wall is 5 meters high. It's made by earth and rock and bricks. It's just in case the horse to get in. Because the nomadic, they cross the border, they robbery our village and to get our properties and they ran away. So when we send the soldier to back up, we found they already disappeared. So we built the wall on the border. The horses cannot get in. People climb over. So this section of the Great Wall, at the latest it was being built in the Ming Dynasty. It's about 600 years ago. So the Ming Dynasty is the last dynasty to build the new wall. And the Qing Dynasty, last dynasty, they don't build wall to repair the wall. This section, why is so famous? Because here have more watchtowers. And Emperor, because it protect the capital city, so added more watchtowers on here. If we find 100 enemies is approaching, one smoke from the fire like a water tank, from the tower. If we find it 500 enemies come, 2 smokes. 1,000 enemies come, 3 smokes. They have every 200 meters have one watchtower. And if we see the enemies from that section launch the fire, the smokes will mix with the animal's poop, wolf's poop. So we call it wolf smoke. And they say the burn the wolf's poop, the smoke goes very high and far. People from the village from far away can easily see it. So the Great Wall was been built for defensive. And actually Chinese people also try to get further. But when we go further, not good for farming, for agriculture. So we just stopped and built a wall here. So this wall was just quite like a 400 millimeter raining line. Above this line, farming is not good. And inside of this line is enough raining. Yeah. So the Great Wall, this section was made the best quality. The other section is made by the earth, rocks. Yep. And here on the foundation is made by the rock. So each section have the one shooting hole. When we find the enemies is coming, we just hide our body under the shooting. And maybe the enemies will cross the wall to get to the village robbery, but when they coming on the way back, we defensive at them as well on this side and to shoot the enemy down.